How to buy on Shein without credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Shein application from your device and get logged into your Shein account. First of all, let's go ahead and make a purchase. Tap on any product that you would like to do so. Now select the color and the quantity if available, then tap on Add to Cart. Let's go ahead and tap onto our cart from our top page. Make sure that this product is checked, then tap on Checkout on your bottom right. Now on the checkout page, make sure that you enter your correct location. Under payment method, you will see various options. If you don't want to continue with your credit or debit card, you can also use your Venmo or Cash App Pay. Select it. Just like so, if you would like to get discounts, you can also enter coupon codes. Once done, tap on to continue. Now here under waiting for payment, you have to tap on Pay Now. And just like so, follow the on-screen prompt in order to pay for the product. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.